Hello, this is AVoIP speaking on behalf of 4TheWall from InfoComm 2026 in Vegas. So today we are showcasing our KVM over IP solution Designer TRX. Our Designer TRX uses our transceiver hardware, which can be configured as a decoder or as an encoder, and it can decode up to 36 IP streams. It is controlled by our Designer TRX software, currently here shown inside our SC Tab 10D device, the control tablet, and through it inside we can choose from different layouts. We can create our own layouts and switch them as much as we want. And here on the screen, for example, you can see that there are 36 different sources being decoded at the same time. So I can change the preset here. Well, here we have 4 different screens. One of them being streamed from a mobile, from a remote computer. As you can see, I can easily send keyboard and mouse information like this. And also, I can change by a simple drag and drop between sources. And there it is. Now you can see that there is another computer that I can quickly manipulate like I want, say send keyboard and mouse information in between, quite seamlessly. And also here we can see that we can easily create new presets, like let's call it preset 7. Right now it doesn't have anything to do. Of course it has no sources. And I can edit. And here I can add a window, maybe add another one, and accept. And then through the automation side, I can maybe put a camera over there. I can put another source over there and continue to use it seamlessly. So this was our FPGA based KVM over IP solution, Designer TRX. If you want more information on that, please visit our website at www.4thewall.com. Thank you.